Greetings, construction enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into the realm of heavy machinery. From groundbreaking asphalt repair to state-of-the-art concrete solutions, come along as we investigate the most recent innovations that are influencing the methods by which we construct and uphold our roads. Let's commence! Introducing the Renova 4000, an asphalt sculptor redefining pavement rehabilitation. This advanced surface milling machine operates with precision, removing damaged asphalt effortlessly. Imagine it as a high-tech artist, utilizing rotating drums with carbide teeth for meticulous milling. The intelligent control system ensures consistent depth and a smooth finish, eliminating manual adjustments. Versatility is its forte. With various milling widths and depths, the Renova 4000 tackles anything from minor imperfections to complete pavement removal. Its modular design allows easy attachment of scarifiers and sweepers, enhancing functionality. Say farewell to backaches and laborious hours hand-leveling concrete. Meet the curb roller, a concrete world game-changer. Compact and versatile, it leaves clunky machines in the past. Roll it over fresh concrete for a flawless surface without breaking a sweat. Shaping gutters, slopes, curbs, or barriers is a breeze with 30-plus interchangeable drums. Need a custom drum for a unique vision? They've got you covered. The secret? Continuous movement in those drums, turning concrete shaping and leveling into a walk in the park. With myriad configurations, the curb roller transforms concrete work from a backbreaker into a breeze, making your project a walk in the park. Bid farewell to strenuous labor and safety concerns. Introducing the Vacuworks RC, a lifting machine that expertly manages hefty loads with the finesse of a seasoned professional. Boasting 5 capacity options, each with a 55,000 pounds capacity in its American lineup, this robust machine effortlessly tackles substantial road slabs and large diameter pipes. However, the Vacuworks RC extends its utility beyond roads. It proves invaluable for energy projects and facilitates seamless loading and unloading at ports. Abandon the use of hooks, slings, or chains. Rely on the vacuum-assisted soft grip for the secure handling of delicate materials. The 360-degree rotation feature ensures easy and accurate stacking. Let's explore another revolutionary construction tool that's reshaping the industry. Introducing the Lismac Compact Cut 401E, a powerhouse engineered in Germany to effortlessly carve through asphalt, concrete, and stone with unparalleled precision. This compact marvel disassembles into 3 transport-friendly pieces, navigating easily through confined spaces. Its patented system enables precise cutting in tight corners, marking a paradigm shift for projects situated near walls or fences. Despite its compact size, the Compact Cut 401E showcases an impressive cutting depth of nearly a foot and a massive 31.5-inch diameter cutting disc, establishing itself as a formidable presence in the construction realm. Discover the pinnacle of pavement preservation with Craftco Crack Repair. Engineered for precision and efficiency, this advanced system redefines crack repair for asphalt surfaces, ensuring lasting durability. The operation begins with a high-pressure air system, meticulously cleansing and preparing cracks for repair. The breakthrough lies in the applicator's state-of-the-art injection technology, precisely dispensing Craftco's specialized crack sealant. This targeted application penetrates deep, creating a robust and enduring seal for comprehensive repairs. Versatile and adaptable, Craftco Crack Repair accommodates various crack sizes effortlessly, making it an indispensable tool for seamless pavement maintenance. Let's explore the domain of pavement construction with the Volvo P8820D. Envision a colossal road paving machine that not only tackles the most challenging tasks, but does so with finesse in confined spaces. This tracked marvel, featuring a compact 8.2-foot width, metamorphoses into a paving giant with an impressive 42.7-foot paving width, positioning it as the perfect candidate for expansive highways and intricate urban roads alike. The Volvo P8820D doesn't just prioritize size, it emphasizes efficiency. Its robust engine and massive 33,000 pounds asphalt hopper guarantee uninterrupted paving, minimizing the need for refilling and reducing downtime. Moreover, for the operator, comfort takes precedence in the spacious, ergonomically designed cab. Envision potholes miraculously vanishing right before your eyes. That's the magic of infrared asphalt repair, a groundbreaking technology revolutionizing the road-fixing process. Forget about messy patching and extended repair durations. This innovative approach utilizes a specialized heater to gently soften the asphalt, enabling precise repairs without compromising its original characteristics. But there's more to it. This compact marvel is equipped with 3 interchangeable attachments, making it ideal for addressing small cracks, potholes, and even areas surrounding manholes and utility boxes. Unlike conventional methods, infrared repair performed admirably even in cold weather, saving both time and money. Expressing gratitude for accompanying us on this exploration of cutting-edge building technologies. If you found these innovations as thrilling as we did, kindly click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure to hit the bell icon for timely updates. Until our next encounter, continue your construction endeavors and anticipate more groundbreaking revelations. Keep in mind, the greater the number of likes and subscriptions, the more discoveries we can collectively unveil.